Welcome to a track review. This is Efren here, and we're in his 2001 Subaru Impreza GC8. Is that right?
GC8.
Tell me what you've done to this car.
Yeah, so I have a full 07 STI drivetrain and engine swap. So all the way down to the hubs, you have the Brembos, the 6-speed, the DCCD,
Cool.
turbo, like in Japan.
And what do you have for suspension on this thing?
I have Race Comp Engineering Tarmac 2
Oh,
coilovers.
RCEs, nice.
Yep.
They're the gold standard in Subarus as far as I know.
They are, yeah. They've been compared to KW V3s, but for Subarus.
Awesome. So tell me about the horsepower and weight of this car right now.
Right now it's completely stock. So
Okay.
what you'd expect, about 300 to the crank, so probably like 280, 275 to the wheels.
Oh, wow.
And then it's about 2,800 pounds, 2,900.
That's actually a bit lighter than I expected. What were these stock? Like, this is the stock weight, 2,900?
It's about 2,900, maybe
Gotcha.
3,000 with a full tank,
And
but
it's a 2.5 liter, right?
2.5 liter.
Cool.
Let's do it.
Yeah, I've reviewed a couple of these on the street before.
Yeah.
Tons of fun. Curious how they do on track.
Oh yeah, same here. I believe you reviewed one of my friends, Kenji's car.
Yeah,
Bay Area.
Kenji, that's right.
Yeah,
That car was wild.
it's crazy. Rega Masters, also an STI swap.
Hell yeah.
Kind of taking inspiration from him.
I haven't been to Buttonwillow in like 2 years, so
Oh, wow.
I'll be a little rusty on the first lap.
Mhm.
Take it a little easy, then we'll go for it.
No problem. Every so often, you'll hear this whirl from the engine, like right now.
Yeah?
I just have low profile fans, so don't worry about like the.
Gotcha.
Yeah, don't worry about it. Go ahead.
Thanks. Red line is 7.
7.
power.
Oh, okay. Well, let's pull over then.
Does that sound normal?
No.
It's not?
No.
Let's bring it in.
Let's bring it in. Oh, well, I'm knocking.
That doesn't sound good.
No.
You have a flashing O.
Flashing O? I don't. Oh, wait, maybe oil. Oh, for oil. I don't know what O is. Yeah, well.
It could just be a flashing check engine light.
Yeah.
Oh man.
Well, it was
Sorry to hear that.
no problem, dude. Oh, man. Okay.
Do you want me to just try to bring it in, right?
Yeah, just bring it
okay.
in. Yeah, no problem, dude. It's all right.
Has this ever happened?
No.
It's still flashing. It's still flashing.
Okay. Wait, I have to check it.
I'm just keeping the RPMs real low.
Okay, no problem.
Subaru problems.
You know that's what happens. We'll find out what's up.
Okay.
Yeah. But don't feel like it's your fault.
Oh man, I feel bad. I'm sorry.
No worries, dude.
I never over-revved it. I have the footage to prove it. Do you have an oil pan baffle?
I do, yeah. You know, some lore about this engine is that it came out of a 250,000 mile STI.
250?
Yeah.
All right, so I'm not surprised then. All right, you lost power completely.
Oh yeah? Oh shit, okay.
Okay, I'm gonna have to pull off.
Yeah, that's fine. You'll have to tow me, huh?
I'll try to coast it as much as I can.
Okay.
I think this is it right here.
Alright, man. You'll have to tow me.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
Oh, it's alright, man. I don't mean this to put a damp on your day.
No, not at all. I'm sorry about the car.
Yeah, that's fine, man.
Here, I'll put it in gear.
Yeah.
We'll just have to wait.
Yeah. I think you had other people to review, right? Or
I'm not worried about that.
Okay.
But we will have to get a tow.
Yeah.
Back to the pits.
That's no problem.
Wow.
You know what they say, man? It's Subaru is either on the racetrack or the garage.
Or the garage.
Yeah, or the the shop.
It's one or the other.
Yeah.
It was running good for a while.
You're having fun.
Yeah, that was good.
Once you said it was low on power, I felt like that was it.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm like, oh, okay.
I felt it on that straight. So then I backed off within like 5 seconds, and then I started hearing that.
Yeah. You can put like, it was fun while it lasted.
Yeah. I actually got a little bit of rotation from the back on some of those corners, which felt different for a Subaru. I'm not really used to that in an all-wheel drive Subaru.
Yeah,
so.
yeah. Almost like it's a rear-wheel drive.
Almost,
vehicle,
yeah. So if you're able to get, you know, the engine sorted out.
Yeah.
I mean, the car otherwise felt good. Had no issues with the brakes. Suspension was a little bouncy in some parts, but it's a very bouncy track.
Yeah, for sure.
So it's very sensitive to suspension setup. And I was having fun.
Yeah. I heard you, man. You were laughing a bit the whole time. That's amazing. I'll have to get the engine sorted. It's a rebuild.
It's a rebuild?
Yeah, it's not a problem.
Maybe find a lower mileage one next time.
Yeah. But you know, with those 250,000 mile Subarus, it's like, you don't know what it's gone through.
Yeah. On that first semi-clean lap, we did a 213. And then after we lost power, obviously we didn't get to complete that lap. Of course. But we did like a 214. So I think the car easily has like a 210 in it.
210 in it?
Yeah.
But that's half the driver, right? Because you're driving it, you're pretty seasoned, so.
Yeah, I got probably 40 track days under my belt, so. All right, I guess that's a wrap for the video. Sorry to put this damper on your day.
No problem.
The moral of the story is just be prepared for this to happen if you're driving a high mileage Subaru. Like any EJ motor is basically going to have this possibility, right?
Right.
Yeah. We're on our way to a sub 10-minute lap time right here.
Drafting behind a tow truck.
Yeah. It's like NASCAR.
We'll pass them soon.